Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a radio button font color in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a radio button and I will change all of this radio button a symbol color. Now select form option and select field option and drag your mouse cursor, select all of them at once. Now select properties dialog box, this bar, and here you will find this properties option. Now click here and properties dialog box, go there appearance option, and this is radio button symbol color, and see this. Also you can change border color if you want. I'll make this one and select close. Now see this. This is radio button color now change, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.